ki khubor ka bate si TV. Lawan Rashapi taka Frank Motors. Booking open for the new Nexon. Visit Frank Motors or call 7045207973.
Ka Sorkar Jalla haduk menta kadang wat Briew bantung kum ka Chairperson jong Meghalaya State Commission for Women, hadian ka jing ian okam jong ka Chairperson berim ka Dr. Pidalia Toy. Menteri Ketenat Social Welfare ka Sorkar Jalla uba poleng do. Ha ka jing keren bat kilat patai kubor ula ong ba ka Sorkar kan sa syong ya ka jing lang perkat kam ha ka tayo banengkong jong benai rempang mentau snem ban shimrai yano bantung kum ka Chairperson ha ka commission.
End of January, the entire process will be closed. Now we have opened the doors to even individuals who have not been named by the search committee, so that nobody would feel that they have been denied of an opportunity to apply. So we feel that, in fact, it was made, we were made aware by certain individuals that they also, in fact, they considered themselves to be, quite fit to hold the post, but they were not named by the search committee. So we thought, in all fairness, let's open the door for everybody, and then the government will take a call based on recommendations of the search committee as well as individual applicants. We have set a deadline, I think somewhere 20th of January or so, as and when we sit for a review by the first week of February, we should be in a position to then select the chairperson.